Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make banana paradise mocktail. This is very thrillers mocktail. You can try. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make banana paradise mocktail. How? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to pour 30 ml of banana crush. After adding 30 ml of banana crush, then you have to pour 60 to 90 ml of Mossami juice. Okay, after adding the juice, then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to pour lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. Okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then you can take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. This is very fancy and tasty mocktail. You can try. Okay, then you take the grenadine syrup. You have to pour 10 to 15 ml of grenadine syrup from the top of the glass. So slowly you have to pour so that it will form some layer. So now the 2 layer came. Then what you will do? Take a small decanter and add 5 ml of blue cocoa syrup. Okay, after that you have to pour soda, the decanter. Very fancy mocktail, you can try and tasty also. Okay, then what you will do? Take a bar spoon and slowly you have to pour the mixing of blue cocoa and soda with the help of bar spoon. Slowly you have to pour so that it will form some layer. See how the fancy color is coming. Slowly you have to pour the blue cocoa and soda mixer. See, this is the really good mocktail, you can try. Okay, very fancy mocktail, you can try. Then you can garnish the mocktail with banana slice or sweet lime slice. I am garnishing the mocktail with lime slices and mint spring, and I have to decorate more for this mocktail. Then what I'll do, I have to garnish the mocktail with garnish umbrella. Okay, so your fancy mocktail is ready. Very fancy mocktail, you can try. Okay, with the combination of banana crush and sweet lime, Mossami juice, and then grenadine syrup and blue cocoa. Very fancy mocktail, you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Please try and make this mocktail, fancy mocktail. Cheers for the mocktail, and please, yes, very fancy mocktail, you can try. And you can see the color, the 3 layer came. I hope you like my mocktail preparation, and if you like my mocktail preparation, please like and subscribe my channel. You can see a variety of different type of mocktail you can see in this video. Cheers for this mocktail, and see you on the next video. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.